Blindness refers to the inability to see something. The one who has accepted blindness is known as blind in society. There is no light in the eyes, so life will stop? Of course not. If the light of knowledge is infinite and if the store of knowledge is rich, the blindness cannot be an obstacle. Let's get to know the 5 people who have conquered the world by showing their thumbs up to their blindness. A tourist has traveled to 130 countries despite being blind. He is Tony Giles, a British citizen. He has already traveled to more than 130 countries. Giles' travel was funded by his father's pension, so he planned his trip well in advance. But he cannot see with his eyes and also cannot hear with his ears. At the age of 10, he lost his sight completely. In an interview with the BBC, the 43-year-old traveler said, "I listen to people, climbed mountains, everything I feel though my touch and feet. That's how I see a country." Giles has traveled to new place for the past 21 years. His desire is to visit all the countries of the world. Number 2. Marc Anthony Riccobono. It is almost impossible to drive blindly, and that's what Riccobono did. This surprising incident happened on January 29, 2011. Marc Anthony Riccobono continued his fast-forward escape on the Daytona International Speedway that day. This is not something that is common to ordinary racers, but it was the toughest challenge for Riccobono because Riccobono does not see with his eyes. He took the help of technology to help drive the car. Drive grip and speed trip. The drive grip gives instructions when needed. The gloves indicate though which vibration the wheel of the car will turn or take a turn, and speed trip has helped determine the speed of his seat and car. Riccobono is the active member of the National Federation of the Blind in the United States. Number 3. Louis Braille. Today, the blind people are spreading the light of knowledge among the seekers of knowledge through the special method of Braille. This Braille method is a method of drawing 6 dots on the piece of paper. Blind people are able to perceive which letters are according to the design of the 6 dots by turning their fingers over these raised or convex dots and understand the meaning of writing. 63 designs can be made by improving one of the 6 points and not improving the other. The father of this method was Louis Braille. He himself was blind. This approach was a landmark step. He was born in Coupeville, France, after becoming blind at the stage of 3. At the age of 20, he proceeded to teach other blind people. Then within a year, he made a revolutionary change by inventing the Braille method to help and benefit the blind and visually impaired. Number 4. Homer. Homer is legendary. He was an ancient Greek epic poet. Homer is best known for his writings. He has reached unique heights as the author of the Iliad and Odyssey epics and Homeric hymns. That literary status still makes him incomparable all over the world. Analysts believe that the Western literary genre originated from Homer's epics. The influence of these 2 epics on the general history of fiction and literature is immense. Homer Charon also revered as a poet. Interestingly, the Iliad and the Odyssey were written by the same person and were not known until 350 AD. Modern researchers refers to the Homer's period as both the beginning of the poem and the lifespan of the individual. The Iliad and the Odyssey preceded the epic probably in the same decade. Number 5. John Milton. John Milton was a civil servant in the Commonwealth of England. His literary talent took him to unique heights. As a student at the school, Milton studied Latin, Greek, Hebrew, and the literature in addition to his regular studies. He also started practicing poetry. His first poem was published in 1827 while studying in college. Milton gained a wide reputation as a 17th century English poet and prose writer. He is well known for his famous poem Paradise Lost. Surprisingly, he was blind and poor at the time. The frustrations and failures of his own life. At the same time, optimism about the latent power of human beings also emerged. John Milton was a civil servant in the Commonwealth of England in his early life. Those who do not have the lights of the eyes, spared flame of the light of their knowledge around in the own light. The power of wisdom can conquer everything in the world. So the knowledge hungry, indomitable, visually impaired have shown. Let us know how you liked today's video. If you like the video, please like, doing subscribe and stay with us for the next video. Finally, stay happy, stay good.